Ganache is easier to make than for me to say. It's 1 part chocolate, 1 part cream. You will need a scale so you can do this recipe. It's equal parts chocolate and cream, and you can use any amount, but I'm going to start out with 8 ounces. So in a saucepan, we are going to heat up 8 ounces of heavy whipping cream, and to that we're going to add in 8 ounces of high quality chocolate, and that is 226 grams if you want to go by grams. This 1-to-1 ratio is typical of the higher quality chocolates. Once you get below 60% cocoa, you want to start adjusting your recipe. You may need to go up to 2-to-1, and for the white chocolates you may even need to go up to 4-to-1. But what I recommend is getting at least a 60% cocoa and trying it out the traditional way first. The 2-to-1 is 2 parts chocolate, 1 part cream. You want to heat this on medium-low until it starts to bubble, and then you're going to turn it off the heat, and then you're going to add in your cocoa. If you have an electric stove top or a gas stove, you want to remove it from the burner, not just leave it here like I'm doing. This is induction and the heat just stops pretty much instantly, so I'm leaving it here and letting it sit for about 2 to 5 minutes to let the chocolate and the cream kind of melt together, and then I'm just going to stir it gently together. And that is pretty much how you make ganache. And it's really easier for me to make than it is for me to say. I always try. I usually end up saying ganache because that's my accent. Again, if you want to make truffles, just do 2 parts chocolate to 1 part cream. But this is great for a pourable recipe, for fudges, for cakes, and for fillings. Let it cool slightly before you're going to use it. And if you're not going to use it right away, you do need to refrigerate it because it has cream in it. Some people will tell you you don't have to refrigerate it. I like to err on the side of caution. As always, happy baking.